In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze a CSV with Genspark AI Sheets. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. If you haven't logged in for a while, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your analysis to live. Once you're in, head straight to AI Sheets. This is the area designed for spreadsheet style work with an AI assistant built right in, so you can move quickly from raw data to insights. Next, bring your dataset into the workspace by uploading your CSV file. You can usually drag and drop the file or use the upload button. Before you upload, it helps if the CSV has clear column headers and consistent formatting so the AI can understand it more easily. If your file is large, give it a second to process. When it loads, you should see your columns and rows displayed like a standard sheet. Now ask Genspark to analyze the CSV and summarize the data. In the prompt area, you might say something like, "Analyze this CSV and provide a summary with key trends, totals, and any notable patterns." Be as specific as you need. Mention which columns matter most or the time period you care about. The clearer your request, the more targeted the summary will be. When Genspark returns the results, pause to review the trends, totals, or patterns it identifies. Look for aggregated figures such as sums or averages, shifts over time, top-performing categories, or unusual spikes and dips. Cross-check the highlights with the sheet so you know where the numbers are coming from. If something seems surprising, scan the corresponding rows to confirm context. From here, ask follow-up questions to dig deeper into the dataset. You might refine your request by segment, timeframe, or category. For example, ask for a breakdown by month, the top contributors to a total, or a comparison between two groups. If the initial summary was broad, narrow it down. If it was narrow, zoom back out. Iterating like this helps you move from a quick overview to the specific insights you need to make decisions. Finally, save or export the analysis results. Use the save or export options in AI Sheets to preserve the summary, your follow-up findings, and any notes. You can keep it in your workspace for later, export the results to share with your team, or download a copy for reporting. That's it. You've signed in, opened AI Sheets, uploaded your CSV, asked for an analysis, reviewed the insights, drilled deeper with follow-up questions, and saved your results. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.